Now, Cavalier put one foot into the final of the Concacaf Caribbean Cup after hammering a fellow Jamaican team, Harbour View, 5-0 in their first leg semi-final at Sabina Park on Tuesday. The competition's leading goal scorer, Chanel Thomas, got Cavalier going in the 5th minute. Thomas moved his tally to 8 goals from 5 matches with that strike. Jalmaro Calvin then doubled Cavalier's advantage in the 12th as they went into the break 2-0 up. Now, 19 minutes after the resumption, Kevin Clark turned the ball into his own net as Cavalier went further ahead 3-0 in minute 64. And Giovanni Leng netted a 4th for the Rudolph Speed-coached team in minute 72 before Dwayne Allen topped off the 5-star performance in minute 87. The return leg will be played at the same venue next Tuesday. Now, Mocha FC of the Dominican Republic beat Robin Hood of Suriname in the other semi-final first leg match, which was played in the Dom Rep earlier this evening.